Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete all liked videos at once. This is very simple, but you need to know one simple setting and I will show you that. Alright, first make sure that you're logged into your YouTube channel, and after that tap right in the bottom on your profile, and after that tap right in the top on the wheel. Then go to manage all history, and right here we want to tap on interactions. Then from here tap on video likes and dislikes, and right here you can see your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos. Right now I just liked some videos right here, and if I want to delete that, click on the cross, then tap on delete, and our activity with that like is removed or got removed. And we can do that for all the videos that I want to remove the like on the video. So this is exactly how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And if you have questions, please comment them below, because then I can help you out. Alright, for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.